Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. The purpose of this video is to go over an XRP ETF. As I have been saying on this channel for a while now, XRP will actually see one of the first ETFs developed for it now that major financial institutions are constructing financial products on top of the cryptocurrency market. This is because these establishments prioritize useful ecosystems while designing products and require clarity to do so. Here I'll go over the importance of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for long-term price appreciation and provide you some new proof that an XRP ETF is coming soon in this video. Keep watching until the film crew finishes up, then we'll be breaking into the charts. I enjoy being able to provide my support to XRP Ledger projects since, well, I'm obviously not a developer and can't make my own product on the platform. So, guys, I have to give props to XRP Fury for all the hard work he's put in behind the scenes. I also enjoy using this medium to promote XRP items. The reason I'm making this video is to provide you some fresh evidence that an XRP ETF is on the way. To cut to the chase, I'd want to begin by discussing the ETFs. For some time now, there have been whispers that an XRP ETF will never materialize. However, I am here to prove that they are secretly preparing for it. I think a lot of people wrongly assumed the ETF would fail just because Bitcoin's price went up after its approval, without really getting the underlying factors at play, so I'll start by talking about how the Bitcoin spot ETF did. The first thing to notice is that Bitcoin seems to have hit rock bottom. Even if Bitcoin had a drop and lost some of its post-ETF enthusiasm, the cryptocurrency has genuinely recovered from its lows, as shown in the 7th stage. Institutional investors are pouring thousands of bitcoins into the cryptocurrency market every day, which is causing it to quickly recover. This is the first time in the asset class's entire existence that institutions have done this. In my opinion, these kinds of flows will engulf any future slump. Plus, this dip was just like any other. The release of a second Bitcoin product is another noteworthy event that is rapidly approaching. Since more and more local exchange-traded funds ETFs that each of these institutions offers, I mean, if you use Charles Schwab, it has its own ETF, and since some analysts have even gone so far as to predict that the market may see an additional influx of these ETFs, it's clear that this development could have a significant influence on reviving the excitement cycle and increasing long-term purchasing pressure. The faster these funds are able to raise capital locally, the more marketers we have peddling these items to their customers, and the more institutional investors we have viewing these things, the faster Bitcoin will be removed from the spot market. In my view, that will lead to the drops being repurchased at a significantly faster rate with each purchase. These initiatives have, without a question, been quite fruitful. In spite of the fact that Bitcoin did not instantly climb after the approval of ETFs, it is essential to note that there was an initial sell-off. Certain extraordinary circumstances were also imposed on us. The ETF's tremendous buying pressure isn't the only thing in one black swan occurrence. Grayscale was forced to sell over 100,000 Bitcoins. Many investors left the Grayscale's ETF when it was live since they were stuck with the product for so long. Spot market activity was thereafter overwhelmed by 100,000 Bitcoins. Still, Bitcoin's price is going up right now, as if nothing had happened. The Grayscale market saw the unexpected appearance of 100,000 Bitcoins, but it was a one-time event. Almost immediately, Bitcoin was scooped up by every other ETF manager. The market then started to climb to new heights. A thrilling development has occurred. As for the idea that Bitcoin ETFs were the best, I think it will go away if we can dispel the story that said so. Also, we're likely to reach a point where 60,000 is bandied about as a potential record high. To the extent that Bitcoin does, in fact, surpass its local 52-week high following the launch of these ETFs. These Bitcoin ETFs were just the tip of the iceberg, and a new bull run, driven by institutional demand, is about to start if Bitcoin succeeds in breaking above the $50,000 range, as it has been trying to do for a few months. Right now on this channel, we should also talk about an XRP spot ETF. Since it is currently known that spot XRP exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have already been developed, I have been stating for some time that I believe an XRP ETF is inevitable. This is due to the fact that XRP is seen as having clarity by many nations. We also know that, thanks to Ripple's victory over SEC in court, XRP is very obvious in the US, likely more so than other cryptocurrencies. Not only that, but a former Ripple member is now the head of digital asset strategies at industry leader BlackRock, which is aggressively pushing these ETFs. Not only is this person very close to BlackRock's CEO, but they are also strong advocates of XRP. I still think an XRP ETF is in the cards. However, we found out recently that Ripple has hired a senior manager to oversee all things related to the XRP asset token. In my opinion, an XRP is related. Ripple has known for some time that something is coming, and ATF is a symbol of that. For some reason, it just keeps popping up, even though it's obvious that it will be one of the first to change. Considering the fact that this product is already in use by numerous significant institutions. This project is nearly complete, it appears that way to me. What this means is that the positive narratives we've been discussing for the Bitcoin spot ETF will also apply to the XRP at IE, which is exciting because it means that millions, if not billions, of XRP will be driven off the market. This is something I'm quite excited about. Additionally, I do not believe that the market is generally aware that it is imminent. Regarding XRP, everyone has stated that institutions wouldn't have access to this digital asset, but in reality, it has always been severely undervalued. However, it appears that they are quite enthused about it, and she likely just avoided talking about it. When people realize that XRP is more than simply a token that Ripple is selling to make money, I think fear of missing out, FOMO, will come up, which will keep us in the group. The XRP is crystal clear, XRP has real-world uses. And XRP has a genuine ecosystem. We'll end this video by talking about my predictions for the future of XRP's price, because I'm confident in its ability to continue growing at least as quickly as it has in the past. But I think XRP will see a stampede of buyers once the market as a whole learns that this is what the institutions perceive and comprehend. Looking at the graph, XRP's phenomenal increase nearly looks impossible. But when you look at how XRP has changed in the past, you can see that its development can be exponential and shockingly fast. The long-discussed symmetrical triangular pattern is crucial to XRP's potential future growth. There may be a comparable escalation because this pattern is similar to the breakout in 2017. In light of this, the idea that XRP may reach $64 within the $60 to $70 range is not completely implausible. Despite appearances, this number isn't significantly more exponential than previous expansion trends. A more moderate rise, say, $10, might be possible. Given XRP's track record, this is also not completely out of the question. In my opinion, a lot of the price forecasts aren't as far-fetched as people think. XRP has the ability to achieve incredible accelerations, as can be seen by analyzing its previous moves. Let's take a quick look at where XRP is right now. At the moment, it's teetering precariously between its minimal support and maximum resistance, circling around extreme consolidation. In my opinion, something is about to happen that will likely propel XRP away from its current instability and into an era of exponential development. In its usual pattern, XRP will remain horizontal for a long time, making it seem like it won't move forward, and then, out of nowhere, it will break free and charge ahead. Are we thus getting close to that point? It seems like we're getting close to the point where everyone is sick of waiting and ready to give up. Sometimes XRP may make a surprising move that nobody saw coming. We should be hoping that this day is coming soon. From where I stand, on a fundamental level, everything appears to be in sync. As well as from the perspective of analyzing charts. It would seem that XRP is ready to soar to new heights. This update should have shed some light on the matter. Your support is always greatly appreciated. Please hit that like button and subscribe as always. See you later, bye.